Okay, my lovely viewers, let's just play this playthrough. It's part 5, I think. Part 5 of this playthrough, and we're blacksmithing right now, or at least until that lady comes. So let's just play a little blacksmithing. Ah shit, I looked away, I thought I had it while looking. La 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 la. La 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 la. Nickelodeon bitches. Fuck you. Oh, I guess the game doesn't like my old Nickelodeon song. Nickelodeon bitches.
A perfect hammer blow.
A perfect hammer blow. And now time to play another video. Oh. Did I just discard? Oh, great. I'm going to have to unsave. Then exit and do a bunch of bullshit. But this one I have to wait after the video.
You're doing a good job.
Big Bang Theory, Friendship Clause.
Keep hitting it like that.
Ah. Okay, I didn't get it done. Let's just stop for a moment. You all love me. Why? Because I broke them?
A brisk walk is just the things we sigh wonder.
Locksmith.
What will it be?
Buying what's on? Rusted long store, rusted pinlock, rifle. What am I doing? Broken glass everywhere.
You won't regret that.
Equip and continue. A rusty axe. Continue, and then we're done with this. We're gonna make a little more. Woo! Oh shit! How's that?
Noble black. A friend any good adventure. You can buy weapons here. Finest bower stones.
Finest bower stones here.
No business that trusted blacksmith for a sword that would become pure myth. And as the bard that was standing at the side decided to be quiet.
You done? Are you done? Let's play a pub game. I suck at the Fable pub game. It's funny how
the cow and corset. They sell this thing called alcohol, apparently. Never tried it myself. You can usually get a job here, too. If adventuring is anything like barding, you'll need one. The hero went to the cow and corset, where a rhyme doesn't fit unless you force it. Maybe not.
Yeah, maybe not.
Here is the town square, the very heart of Bowerstone.
Really?
This is where I ply my humble trade. Cozy, isn't it? Now, the hero arrived at the town square, home of a minstrel without compare. He ran the clock, and then spread the cry, wild hogs curing mating season. It's a If you go to
don't you usually, peer?
I apologize for the delay. Events are moving quickly indeed. Think about your life. All the places you've been,
Yeah.
the people you've known,
Yeah.
everything you've done.
Yeah.
How many moments? Enemies. Starting with men, they had just as many. And now they have none, because of you.
Hey, you told me
You
to
feel
kill
the
him.
weight of responsibility yet?
Can I just say nothing?
Very well. Keep your thoughts. But now your actions today save many. Come.
But I killed a few.
The world is better off without Zack, and certainly Bower Lake is in your debt.
Yeah, let's push everyone
But to
away,
see
right?
The impact of your actions, you need look no further than Bowerstone. It has changed
Lady,
much
what are you
since you
following
lived
me
here,
for?
particularly Old Town, where you spent your childhood. Never forget that even the simplest choice can have far-reaching consequences.
Ergo, you become queen, your daughter has the title of princess, and you still are the queen.
Tattered spire. The spire was intended as a conduit for all the magic in
Hey,
granting the
my
kingdom
D-
ruler a power
is my DS still charging?
in reality.
What the hell, man?
On the days
They're putting like 6 hours or more.
a light bloomed inside, so that nature could offer the dark. Albion shattered.
Like I said, it'd be awesome if Sastro came to the first game.
Some say that this was the first wish, an end to a hollow and corrupt world, and for a purer one to take its place.
The Sword of Albion. Why can't you get that sword in the game like a rare item? Or hell, even in number 2, man. I mean, number 3. Like a DLC item you could get. Think about that. Sword of Albion. You get the Hammer of Aurora.
And that is why you will face him.
I don't want a Hammer of Aurora. I want a freaking Sword of Albion.
Here. Take a look.
Take a look at the cards. Take them.
Each of the 3 heroes you see in the cards is a step on the hidden path to Lucian's downfall. And the life force of heroes, will itself, is the key to the Spire's power. Lucian's agents scour the land, even as we speak. You must find the 3 heroes before Lucian does, because you are the 4th, the one who will bring his downfall.
Yeah,
I've seen a vision of a holy ritual in Oakfield.
yeah,
Salvation, though bittersweet, is delivered by one of
please.
the
Oh.
Speak to the abbot at the Temple of Light and see what you can learn of this pilgrim. The road to Oakfield is dangerous.
Okay, yeah, I'm getting more blood on my hands than anything else. I hate when I have to fucking rip this certain things out of my face. Because why? I'm clumsy. I fall on glass once in a while. There are certain things that I fell on in the past. It's barely acting up now since I got older. I'm bored. Bored.
Oh, hello. I'm just a common citizen person, the kind you see every day around these parts. Oh, that's a relief. Let's go. I hope my submarine can hold 2 people.
What the fuck does that mean? Hope you're not be doing something weird with me, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, Stephen Glove. Knight? Or Knox, Bill, King. Question. And number 3, right? There was. Damn. Still gotta wipe this blood off. there was Albion. Why can't we go on Mockhold Island either? And on that, Trader's Keep gave you 2 or 3 islands at least, maybe 4. And that just tells me you're holding out a lot more in Albion, the islands and stuff. So if they played it in the other one.
Yes, he is.
I only played 3 Fable games.
Savior of Knockhold Island. I promised my people I would deliver a hero to rescue us from our terrible plight. See how I fulfill my promise, everyone. Allow me to offer you a cordial and official welcome to Knockhold Island. I will shake your hand.
Oh, I can't. I'm still in front of him.
Like an icicle. This difficulty is most certainly not my fault. Our ancestors used the mighty weather totems to control our climate, but since our last warriors died, we've been stuck in this wintry quagmire.
Okay, that sounds like an ancient power now.
Ice shrine. Of course, you'll need the ice
Shit.
key to enter the shrine. All I know is that our last warrior buried it somewhere near the frozen waterfall. Let us hope it doesn't melt in your hand when you find it.
Oh, cool. Alright, DS is fully charged. Can I say yes?
Off you go then. No point standing around getting frostbite.
Shut up. Shut up, you fucking wanker. You know what's funny? Since I've been doing these videos, my family thinks I'm more crazier than more than ever. Oh yeah, this is a great announcement. Shadow creatures, for the children, if you know what I'm talking about. Anyone played number 3. The children are here. Where is the children? This one right here. Don't even fuck with me, you little bastard. Is there more? The waterfall, the waterfall, the water, what in the butt? I see what in the butt. Oh, no, what in the butt? German heritage. Gotta love it. Ooh, I can level up. The only thing I have is strength. Brutal, toughness. Yep, toughness.
A tougher hero is able to withstand more damage before falling in battle.
And if you don't know what I'm playing on my DS, as well as I'm playing this, I'm playing Yu-Gi-Oh! What, the childhood, if you guys got a problem with me playing Yu-Gi-Oh!, I'll let you all know this is a childhood game of mine. Yu-Gi-Oh! Then just came out this year, last year. Oh yeah, and I also got, what's that damn game called? The Legend of Goku for the actually Game Boy Advance, not just the DS. Yeah, I actually have the original old school DS my friend gave me. Well, not gave. I bought it for $20. Bad deal? Yes. Great games on the DS and Advance? Hell yes. Do I care for the, what you call it, wait, am I going the right way? Yep, I'm going the right way. The best games are actually for the regular DS and, what you call it, Advance and Game Boy Colors, in my opinion. Why I say that? For one good assumption, you have Yu-Gi-Oh! And Pokemon on those games. Who does not like Yu-Gi-Oh! And Pokemon? Am I supposed to be here? Nope. In Fable2. Oh shit, it's 15 minutes, so let's just say good day, good night, and good evening, because it's night time right now.